Fox is stepping into the 2025-26 NBA season with growing momentum as he introduces his second signature sneaker, the Fox 2, under Curry brand. First seen during NBA Summer League, the shoe reflects Stephen Curry's signature influence, carrying over design cues from Fox's debut while refining performance-focused elements. Instead of making a drastic change, Under Armour emphasizes evolution, retaining staples like the lockdown strap, low-to-mid cut, and UA flow foam but enhancing them for improved comfort, support, and playability. This approach caters to Fox's fast-paced, dynamic style as the San Antonio Spurs guard prepares for the new season. The sneaker launches Friday, August 22, at about $120, making it both accessible and performance-driven. By fine-tuning rather than reinventing, Under Armour strengthens Fox's presence in the sneaker industry while fueling anticipation for his impact on the court.